In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your browser is managed by your organization. Google Chrome, step by step, quick fix. If you see that message in Chrome, it means policies are controlling parts of your browser. That can be normal on a work or school device, but on a personal computer, it's often caused by an extension, software setting, or even malware. Let's walk through clear, safe ways to remove it. First, check which policies are active. Open Chrome, click the address bar, type Chrome policy, and press enter. You'll see a list of any policies Chrome is obeying. Scan for unknown settings, suspicious entries tied to extensions, or anything forcing your homepage or search engine. Make a mental note of anything that looks out of place so you can remove the source in the next steps. Next, clean up extensions. In a new tab, go to Chrome/extensions. Remove anything you don't recognize or no longer need, then restart Chrome. Pay special attention to coupon add-ons, search toolbars, random PDF converters, and any security extensions you never installed yourself. These are common sources of unwanted policies. If the message persists, reset Chrome settings. Open Chrome settings, find reset settings, then choose restore settings to their original defaults and confirm. This puts your startup pages, new tab, and search engine back to normal and clears temporary policies that were injected by software. On Windows, policies can also live in the registry. This is an advanced step, so proceed carefully. Press Windows plus R, type regedit, and press enter. In Registry Editor, navigate to HKE local machine software, policies, Google / Chrome, and also HKE our current user software, policies Google / Chrome. If you see suspicious Chrome policy entries here, delete only those unwanted items, then restart your computer. Because browser hijackers often create policies, run a full malware scan. Use trusted tools such as Microsoft Defender or a reputable anti-malware scanner and let it remove anything it finds. If your device was ever connected to an organization, Windows might still be applying policies. On Windows 11, open Settings, go to Accounts, then Access Work or School, and disconnect any accounts you no longer use. If policies keep coming back, reinstall Chrome. Uninstall it, delete any leftover Chrome folders, restart your PC, and then install the latest version from the official Chrome website. Finally, check your antivirus or security suite. Some include web protection or safe browsing components that manage Chrome policies. Temporarily disable those browser management features if they're enforcing settings you don't want. After each change, revisit Chrome/policy. When the list is clear of unwanted entries, the managed by your organization message should disappear.